Today is October 5th, 2013, and here in Moldova, they call it the National Wine Day. Basically, the first weekend of every October, they have a National Wine Festival. The reason why they created this wine festival is to show the world that they're a wine destination, and to also show Moldavians other wineries other than the main brands of the country. They harvest the grapes in early September, and that is why they have this festival the first weekend of October. Today marks the 12th annual wine festival. Now let's go drink some wines.
Amore, amor, fai calici più caldi baci avrà. Amor, fra calici più caldi baci avrà. Tra voi saprò dividere il tempo mio giocondo. Tutto è follia, follia nel mondo.